So quick exercise for your palm muting, okay, on 2 strings only, and this is the pattern, and this will help your coordination between your alternate picking and then your palm muting to make sure that it's tight. So we're not gonna play it that fast, but I'll show you the notes. We're gonna do on 9, and this is 11 and 12. Okay, so we're on the 5th string, then to the 4th string. Okay, very simple. Downstroke, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke. We're going to do 4 times, okay? Then we're going to move it up a string on the 6th string, and we're going to go 11, 13, 14. 4 times, and we're just going to move it up 1 fret. Okay, then we're going to move a full step to okay, so there you go. Let me know if you enjoy that. It's just an exercise, but it does sound cool, and once you get that down pat, you can incorporate it on your songs anywhere on the fretboard, as long as you get that motion down. So it's mainly an exercise for your alternate picking. Okay, let me know if you enjoy that. Give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.